All religions tell us that this world, these planets, and these stars were created by God. But what if I told you they might be absolutely right? And what if I told you that about 40 light years away from Earth, we have not just one, but 7 pieces of evidence supporting this idea, all of them located in a single star system, 7 Earth-like planets, aligned one after another. And among these 7 worlds, there is one planet where we have found something truly extraordinary, something that hints at the possible existence of a Kardashev Type 1 civilization, an advanced intelligence capable of deliberately adjusting its planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and even its orbit, again and again. And speaking of orbits, this alien world revolves around a mysterious star that could survive for trillions of years. A star that may only disappear when the universe itself comes to an end. This planet is known as TRAPPIST-1e. Today, we are going to explore one of the most mysterious worlds in the universe. So hello guys, this is your friend, and let's begin another brand new episode. Now listen carefully. Our universe is approximately 10 billion years old. Earth was formed about 5 billion years ago. And in another 5 billion years, our sun will expand into a red giant and completely consume our planet. But what if the end came today? What would be our best option? To move our home, Earth, away from the sun and place it near a star that could remain stable not for billions, but for trillions of years. And if we're already moving a planet, why not perfect its weather and orbit as well? Why not create an environment where we would never face extreme seasons or the dangers caused by a chaotic orbit? It sounds like pure science fiction, exciting but impossible. Because the truth is, humans do not have the power to move a planet, nor can we control its climate or orbital path. But perhaps, somewhere in the universe, there exists a place where all of this is already happening. Deep black space, endless darkness stretching in every direction. And at its center, a small, glowing red star. This is not our sun. This is TRAPPIST-1, located just 40 light years away from Earth. Orbiting this star are 7 rocky, Earth-like planets, lined up one after another in a perfect system. And among them is TRAPPIST-1e, a dark world with an orbit so incredibly precise, so perfectly circular, that even computer models struggle to explain it. This planet is so close to its star that it completes an entire year in just 6 days. Yet despite this extreme proximity, its orbit shows no instability at all. No wobble, no drift. It feels as if someone deliberately placed it into an exact, flawless circular path. The distance at which a planet orbits its star is known in science as the habitable zone. This is the region where temperatures are suitable for water to exist in liquid form. And liquid water is considered the strongest indicator of the potential for life. However, the most strange and mysterious aspect of this planet, according to scientific research, is its surface temperature. Because the planet orbits extremely close to its star, it is tidally locked, meaning the same side of the planet always faces the star. As a result, a single planet gives rise to 3 completely different worlds, each with its own temperature and environment. One world permanently faces the star, an eternal day side. A second world always faces away from the star, an endless night side locked in complete darkness. And between these two lies the most important region of all, a narrow band where day and night meet, known as the twilight zone. What is truly fascinating is that according to our scientific understanding of planetary systems, in worlds like this, the twilight zone is considered the most likely place where liquid water, and possibly life, could survive. Yet this planet seems to defy everything we think we know about the universe. It almost feels as if its temperature has been deliberately fine-tuned to prevent extreme conditions. The planet appears to maintain a strange kind of temperature equilibrium. Scientific models and studies suggest that this planet's surface temperature ranges between approximately 27 degrees Celsius and 48 degrees Celsius. While this would be extremely cold for humans, it is still considered theoretically survivable. And it is entirely possible that for any life forms existing there, this temperature range could be perfectly normal. This raises a disturbing question. Why does the surface temperature of this planet appear to be so precisely regulated? Normally, when a planet orbits very close to its star and becomes tidally locked, its star-facing side reaches extreme temperatures, often between 500 degrees Celsius and 2000 degrees Celsius. The best example in our own solar system is Mercury, which is tidally locked to the Sun. Another example is WASP 178b, located about 1,150 light-years away, where the star-facing side reaches temperatures of 2,000 to 2,500 degrees Celsius. Yet this planet maintains a temperature of only 27 degrees to 48 degrees. How is that even possible? To understand this, we must recognize that it is not just the temperature. Many of this planet's characteristics feel artificial and controlled. The most important of these is its orbit. As mentioned earlier, the planet orbits very close to its star and is tidally locked. But the most unusual aspect of its orbit is that it is almost a perfect circle. Even in our own solar system, planetary orbits are slightly elliptical, which is completely normal because gravity operates in complex and often chaotic ways. But TRAPPIST-1e's orbit is so smooth and mathematically precise that scientists were forced to repeatedly recheck their calculations. And this is why, even today, this planet remains a deep and unresolved mystery for science. When scientists began observing its atmosphere, the data appeared surprisingly balanced. But the most shocking discovery lies in its magnetic field. Because if we talk about this planet's magnetic field, it becomes extremely strange. For example, this planet is almost the same size as Earth. So if I ask you how strong its magnetic field should be, you'd probably say roughly the same as Earth's. Scientists initially thought the same, but the temperature conditions and detailed studies of this planet suggest something unexpected. This planet may have a magnetic field many times stronger than Earth's. Now the big question is, how can a planet similar in size to Earth generate such a powerful magnetic field? But before answering that, we must understand why such a strong magnetic field is even necessary. To understand this, we first need to understand the dangers of solar winds. A single powerful solar storm could destroy Earth's satellites and burn our electrical grids to ashes. If such storms increased in intensity repeatedly, they could ionize Earth's atmosphere and strip it away into space. That would mean Earth would be directly exposed to intense solar radiation. Our planet would turn into a lifeless, barren world, just like Mars. But our sun is a yellow dwarf star, which means its solar storms are not that extreme. On top of that, Earth is located at a safe distance and has an effective magnetic field of its own. That is why Earth is suitable for life. But if even one of these conditions were missing, for example, if Earth's magnetic field were weak, life here would be impossible, just like what happened to Mars. Without a magnetic field, strong charged particles from the sun stripped Mars of its entire atmosphere. So, what does all this tell us about TRAPPIST-1e? The answer is simple. This planet orbits very close to its star, TRAPPIST-1. And if you enjoyed the video, like it and share it with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you liked this video, I highly recommend watching the next one, where we explore why humans might actually be alone in the universe and a unique solution to the Fermi paradox. I'll see you in the next one.